Hey Dean, the Gen Z intern finished that second script.
Okay, it's time to get that emergency plan on lock, beasties, besties. Before you get nerfed by the big storm, go beast mode and gather the squad, aka your fam, and figure out how y'all will link up if things go south. Where you'll meet if you gotta yeet out of there. What's the move during an emergency? Your emergency plan should have all the spicy deets for reconnecting after a disaster. Think floods, fires, or gnarly storm. Make sure everyone in the fam's on board, including the kiddos, grandparents, neighbors, and even the furry babies. Pro tip, practice the plan so nobody's left guessing where to go, how to find each other. And of course, stash copy in your emergency kit or a safe spot where you can grab it fast and stay on that grind. Also, don't forget to make sure everybody's got an emergency contact card. No cap. Bonus points, check out the emergency plans at places you hit up regularly, like daycare, school, work, or your go-to spot for worship. You gotta be prepared everywhere you vibe.